Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to deep link from a widget, iOS widget, to your native iOS application, or send some data from your iOS widget to native iOS application. So let's get started. So here you can see that I have created a SwiftUI application. I've kept things pretty simple. Next we will have to create the widget. So all I will do is just go to click on this file, new, target, select iOS. It is already selected for me. Just search for widget. You will see widget extension. Click next. You can give it some name. I have kept it as my iOS app widget. If you want, you can keep live activity and control checkbox as well. If you know what you are doing. I still don't know about live activity and control is a new thing which has introduced in iOS 18. So for now I am just clicking on this. It will be very less code which we will add it from widget kit side. Everything we will keep it as default. We won't change much. So even if you keep live activity on, that's fine, but again I don't know much about live activity. Maybe in the future I will learn about it. So for now I'll just click on finish. So here okay, let's give it some time, and now I'll click on activate. Okay, so here is our iOS widget. So the only thing which we have to do inside our widget is, now this is my practice project. Okay, so we just have to copy this widget URL. I'll copy this and I will go to my iOS app widget, scroll down, and here you can see you can attach it to your vstack. Here you can see this is the widget URL which I am sending. Now you can send whatever you feel like. Okay, you don't have to follow the pattern which I am following. You can send a normal string, you can send a URL, you can send some dynamic data, but you should know how to handle it inside your app. Okay, so yeah, this is how I am sending it. Now how to fetch this data inside our iOS application. Again I'll go back to my practice project. Okay, so I'll just close everything for now. I have created a view model. So I'm following the right practice. So just go to your iOS project, right click, new empty file, create a view model. It will create a Swift file for you. I'll just copy this. The reason I'm using view model is that so that I can use it everywhere. So it is marked as @observable. Here by default this is the value of this variable, but as soon as we get this URL from widget, whatever URL has been sent from widget, we will update it over to this particular variable. If we don't have some data, it will be hello world. Okay, next I'll go to our app, and here firstly we'll have to create our object. So I'll copy this, I'll go to my app. Okay, and I'll paste it over here. Then we have to add this on environment variable as well as on open URL. Now based on this you can also navigate to different views, so it's up to you how you want to do stuff. But yeah, now inside the content view I want to use this model environment object which we have created. So here we will get the URL which we are sending it from the widget side. So I'm just calling the handle method which we have defined it inside our view model. So I'll just go to the content view. Okay, and over here, so I have defined this environment object over here. So I'll just paste it over here. Then inside this I will just copy this text as well. So I'm just displaying whatever value we are getting it from our widget side. So I'll just run this application now. Okay, sorry, before you run it, just close. You will have to select your iOS application first. Also there is one more thing which you have to do. Go to your application, go to sign in and capabilities, select your application over here, click plus capability, select an app group. Okay, and I will copy my bundle identifier. Okay, then once your app group is added, click on the plus button and just paste your bundle identifier over here. I will remove this. Okay, and I'll click on OK. Now I will go to our widget, click on plus capability, add app group, and here also we will do the same thing. Most probably, okay, if you are not seeing your app group, you don't have to click on the plus button again. Just click over here, come back over here, and here you will see. Now just search for this. So this is the group which I have added. Again, it is not displaying the entire name. This is a UI bug from Xcode, but anyways, now I can just run my application. So let's just wait. Okay, so my application is ready. Let's just wait some more time. So here you can see by default it is showing hello world. Now I will create widget for my application. I'll just close this. I will long press on my app, click on edit home screen, click edit, add widget, enter your app name. So my app name is my iOS app try. Okay, so this is my app. I'll click on it, and here is our widget. So this is the default widget, right? I'll just click on add widget. I'll click on done. Now if you see, if anyways, even if you haven't done anything, if you click on your widget, it goes to your app. Now if I click on my widget, here you can see instead of displaying hello world, it is displaying this /app/detail, whatever is the current date. That's what we passed from our widget, right? /app/detail, whatever is the current date. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can send data. Thank you for watching. Bye.